Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. 7:30 or 8:30. So, good morning, based on where you're watching us from. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So this we are going to be having this analysis now. We are going to be going through this market to know what we'll be expecting in today's market. So, if you are new to this place, my name is Odyssey Jnr. And then this is we usually come here to do our analysis of the market to know what we are expecting of the market per day. So let's get into it. No time to waste. So what we focus more is absence. So let's do this together. So what we usually do, we start with the higher time frame, which is the daily. We go with the daily time frame to know the market direction or the market direction as at the day. So see from the market's direction, you can see we are in an uptrend. We are going this breaking to the upside. That is, we are in uptrend, and this market is just reacting. Oh no, this market is reacting based on this other block. It's reacting in this other block. Even this another other block here on the margin. So from what you can see now, but we are not going to be making use of this other block now since it's already been mitigated. We are going to be going to the 4 hours since we already know that we have a bullish market. We'll go to the 4 hours. Okay, so in the 4 hours, let's look at it very well to know what we are seeing here. Okay, so in the 4 hours, let's see if this other block has been mitigated. This other block seems to have been mitigated. Okay, so price is reacting on this other block now on the 4 hours time frame. Price is reacting to this other block in the 4 hours time frame. So what are we going to do? We go to the 2 hours time frame. See what the market has for us here. In 2 hours, price is still reacting to this other block. 2 hours, price is reacting. So we go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. So price is still reacting to the other block here. So I think this other block now needs to be pending. I have to keep it pending now. It has been mitigated, so we have nothing else to do. It has been mitigated. So we look for unmitigated other block here to go with our trade. Unmitigated other block. Okay. So let's go on 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay. Even this other block has been mitigated. This. Let's go to 15 minutes. Let me know what this market is giving. Is this. So from this 15 minutes, I'm looking at this. See, we have this break of structure. Depending on the momentum of this market, but I'm looking at this market, this other block that is here, this particular one, I can extend it down here. I'm looking at this market, but before then, I will expect market to have maybe do something of this nature, maybe come to this other block, do something of this nature before it can come to this place. So that's what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at market coming to this other block because this is a valid other block, and then give us a kind of maybe inducement that will turn to our liquidity that we can be able to use. So what I'm looking at for is looking at the market now coming to this previous other block that is here, this other block now. Once the market comes here, it should be able to give this kind of movement, like inducement liquidity movements, then come to our entry here. Then we can go for this, enjoy the market here. That's what I am expecting of this market. That's what I'm expecting from this market. That's what I'm expecting from this market right now. So we keep our eyes open and then look towards the charts. Look towards the charts. But for now, this price is reacting to, there should be this FEG. This FEG that is reacting to, is reacting to the So what I'm expecting here, I'm first of all expecting this market to have given me a liquidity, which is what engagement liquidity here before I can be able to enter this trade here. See the other block I will be using. I'm using this other block. This other block. So, but we just keep our eyes open and then pay attention to what the market is doing. Pay attention to what the market is doing and see what we have to get from the markets. So I'll be here. I'll be here waiting for it. So I'll be waiting for it this place. So here is the place I'll be waiting for this market. So I'll be waiting for it here to see what the market does. But for now, I will not be dropping the conjugate for now, but we expect it to come here. Expect the market to react here. So that's what we are expecting. That's what we are expecting. Okay. So if you have any question, please kindly drop it on the comment section. Kindly drop your question on the comment section. So let's check Great Britain pounds USD. So you see in Great Britain pounds USD, this was our entering point. See, the market just came there, reacted, and it's going up. So this market is still on now. This market is still on. So I know most of you are on this trade now. Most of you are on this trade now. Most of you, this was the trade we gave. Was it last week or thereabouts? We gave this trade last week. And you see, the market just came to that place, reacted, and it's pushing to the upside now. It's pushing to the upside now. So pushing to the upside. So we look forward to it. So for those that were not here on our previous or those that were not here when we gave this analysis, you can the check our previous record, the previous live session. You should be able to see when we're able to give this analysis. So this is doing well. Let's look for BTC. BTC USD. BTC USD. Let's see what we have. The 1 hour on the daily time frame. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes to see. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have in BTC. So let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. So the daily time frame is clear that the markets so it has been breaking to the downside. So yeah, this level. Okay, let's spread this so that I can see very well. So this is a break of structure to the downside. This is this tiny break of structure here. So from here, and we have a change of character here. We have this change of character because it broke to the upside. Have this change of character here. Have this change of character. So since it broke to the upside now, with the change of character, that means now we are expecting we are going bullish.
You are going to kill your landlord. Oh, don't worry now.
So this is
George, go down for me.
equal high. This equal high.
Now 5 o'clock of George Abom. You know me one serious man.
This is equal high. This equal high. So look towards here. So we have this break of structure to the upside. And this break of structure to the upside. So the other block that leads to the break of structure is this other block. The other block that leads to the break of structure. So currently we are bullish in the BTC. We are bullish in BTC. So all I need to do now, I just have to go to my 4 hours time frame to see better. So let me take this back. Alright, let's go to the. We have done the 1 hour, right? The 4 hours. So we go to the 2 hours. In 2 hours, what do we have here? In 2 hours, this looks so good. 2 hours. These 2 hours. Then we go to. Remember, we are bullish, so we'll be looking for a buy opportunity for 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, look good for 1 hour entering, but for now, since we are going to be going with 15 minutes time frame, so we go to 15 minutes to look at what we have also. Oh, yeah, looks good though. Eh, so we'll be looking at here this other block that's here. So I'll be looking at this other block, not minding that this looks so perfect. This looks perfect also. This looks perfect. This looks perfect. So I'll be looking at this particular other block now. Let me use my fib. So you pay attention to these two other block. This and this one. So this particular one now, we likely to have the market come here. But whenever the market comes here, you pay attention to what the market does here. That's when you know whether you enter for this trade or not. So, but for now, we are going with this. Going with this, and we definitely enter here. No, we stretch all the way up. Stretch here. I think everything we need in this is available. We have the FVG, we have the liquidity, then go here. see it for. It's what we are expecting from this market. It's what we'll be expecting. It's what we'll be expecting. It's what we'll be expecting from this market. Okay, so let's do another pair now. Let's do Great Britain pounds USD JPY. Sorry, Great Britain pound JPY. Okay, so let's go with this. So let's remember we start with the what? The higher time frame, which will be doing the daily time frame. So Great Britain pound JPY. So we are currently bullish. And this is the other block that lead to this. So we go on 4 hours. In 4 hours, what is happening in the 4 hours? We have this kind of ranging here. This kind of ranging here, but let's see what we have in there. 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours, the same thing. 1 hour. 1 hours. Let's look at the range to see if there is any clear market structure that we can see. I do 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, from what we can see, fully where we are bullish. So we are looking at for a buyer side, looking for a buy opportunity. So this should be a good order block. This one has been mitigated, right? So it should be a good order block to wait for this market. Be a good order block to wait.
God will help you. It's just when you don't help the poor. Check back and see. How many months do you need to more in your industry? You need 1 year. It's just a good for warrior. What? Good for warrior. You need your one.
Okay, so we'll be entering for buy here. It's all the way up here. We can take this up and this other. So look toward this way. Here's what we'll be doing.
buy rose flower for me or flower bouquet, why not buy plantain, bunch of plantain, or buy kudidi for me? I will appreciate that. Oh yeah, I don't know, can you rose flower? I will be outside. I don't be outside. You have an answer the cat. Please, don't give me rose flower. Yes, I'm romantic, I'm not romantic. But I don't know what I will use rose flower to do. Here is not the grand baby will keep rose flower. Buy bunch of plantain for me. Write one. If you have add two bags of yam, I will appreciate you. They give me rose flower. Here na K drama. Here na telemondo. Eh? Here na buy plantain. Or use and buy garri. My mama paint of garri.
So let's look at what this market is about to do, whether it's going to tap into our other block now. Let's enter this trade.
From 2026, people will pay more tax. That was not the correct. From 2026, the reform be say pay less tax if you be low income and you go pay low tax if you be middle class. Where we say the end has like 1,800,000 naira a month, you go pay less tax. But if you be a rich person, of course, you're supposed to pay a little bit more. Another fake news we say people talk say from next year January they go take money from your account because of you get tax ID or TIN. They go debit your account. Some people talk say na CBN go dey take the money. That one na fake news. From next year, we don't they do this thing for bank accounts since 2020 now, almost 5 years now we don't they do it. Not be new thing sef. If you get bank account, you dey use am for business, you suppose get TIN. E no mean say dem go tax you. It just means say government they interested in wetin you dey do. In case you dey make plenty of money, you suppose pay tax because if some people they pay tax and you know they pay, that one no dey good like that. Another one be say some people say From next year, prices of things will go up. This reform will cause inflation. That one is not lie. From next year, this tax reform will reduce the prices of food, whether you dey buy bread or whether you dey buy garri or yam. I beg.
Seems market is about to react to this other block, but we keep watching. And there's nothing that can make me to take my entry there. I prefer doing it here. So as we wait for this, let me create so I've put my alert here so that whenever the market gets here, I can be able to know and then we join the trade. So put your alert here. See now my alert is already here. My alert is already here. So when the market get there, we can be able to join this trade. Okay, which other correct that other pair haven't we? Okay, let's go for Euro USD. Euro USD. Go to the 1 day. Daily. So it's clear. Daily. We're having an uptrend. Or it seems this now is coming to react to this other block. But it has been giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This equal high. This equal high. This equal high. This is a clear change of character. This is a change of character. So that's to say, after the change of character, we have not gotten any other. This is a change of character. So after this change of character, we have not gotten any other break of structure. So it's bearish. So we'll be looking at the 4 hours to see what we have. In the 4 hours, and see from here, is where the change of character happening in 4 hours. So I'll be looking out for a sell opportunity. Remove this, I don't need it to do anything. And 4 hours. So we look at the 2 hours. 2 hours. You see, look at 1 hour. 1 hour and 50 minutes. And 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So I'll be staying here to position for this trade. I'll be positioning this other block for this trade. I could do it here. These are all liquidity. So I look for this market to come here. No, we are going for short. So I will be entering here. And my take profit will be all down here. Looking at here. So I will be looking out for it to be in this place.
Sometimes last year, why some
So we are looking at this to see this could also serve as a valid place to enter this, but in order for us to also be careful, so we also look at this also. Also look at this side. Also pay attention to this place. This could also serve as a valid place of to enter. So pay attention to these two places. This if this now give us a reversal candle pattern, then we either hit a here or we go fully here. So pay attention to this and then ensure that your eyes is open for this. So we can either enter here. Pay attention to whenever the market get to this place. I'm going to put an alert here also. I'm going to put an alert here. 1.1701. So when the markets come to this place, we pay attention to what it does here. And if it's able to take off this other block here, then we definitely have to enter here. So that is it. So let's look at that Great Britain pound CSD that we did before. Market is still going. We are still in profits. So let's look at Great Britain pounds PPY. Okay, it has now come to has now touched our other block. So let's look BTC USD. BTC USD. It's too far. But what I can see here now, the market has given me kind of here can serve as our entering point also. So pay attention to this level also. The market might not fully come to this place to play out. Market might not come to this place to play out as we looked at it before. It might not have the capacity to reach here, but here and here is a very place to look at for. We are going to use confirmation entry in this, so let's pay attention to what the market will do in these two places. What the market does here determines what we are going to do. Okay. So I think we are done with this today. Just pay attention and look at what the market does and then execute, 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 and execute. Execute. So guys, thank you for watching, and then hope to see you in the next video, now our next streaming. So do well to subscribe, like, and share this video, and follow up the step-by-step guide on how we are able to reach to this point, and ensure that you also do the same thing. It's very simple to analyze this, and then you can be able to do it yourself also. So see you guys later. Bye.